Hello my beautiful people, how are you all doing today? Again, this is your girl Grace Monk. If you're new to my channel, you are so welcome. If you are not a subscriber, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. So today, I don't know if you've seen my earring, and if you've not watched the video on how I made it, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. You can easily click there and it will take you right away to the video to watch how I made this beautiful earring. So inexpensive, easy and gorgeous. How am I looking? I decided to go with all black makeup today. Let me adjust my camera so you can see. Okay, so I decided to go with all black makeup, black and white makeup. My earring is black and white, my inner vest, my jacket, my nails black. So it's all about black and white. So let me go quick to the video. Today I'm going to be doing some DIY on my shoe. I'm going to do some, like, to add some sparkles to it. So join me while I adjust the camera for us to start this video right away.